Motorworks maintenance kit has arrived. Welcome to my unboxing video.
What's inside?
So,
I don't think we can do it. Look, man, I'm gonna charge you for recording me. It's a beautiful face.
Is he though? So what we have here is 1.05 quarts. So we have 2.10 quarts of motor oil transmission mixer fluid, which is amazing. Yay, goodness. We have one heat range, cooler spark plugs. Part number for all y'all right there. Also have our Motorcraft oil filter. And 6 quarts of 8100 Eco Energy Ford Jaguar Land Rover Renault motor oil, motor oil 530 goodness for turbo 2 liter. And we snapped going and putting that stuff in.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, shit. What the hell are you doing in my trash? Oh, you can't come in.